I'm just having a whole lot of trouble with my windows getting a lot of handprints on it. What's up everyone, Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. Hey, I want to talk about foam window cleaner. Have you ever used it? Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Do you use it on a daily basis? You know, there's a lot of different ways that you can clean windows. I have a lot of window cleaning videos out there. You know, I'm big on, the window mop, the squeegee with Dawn dish soap. You've seen me use that method, but I want to talk about something today that will make your job much easier, much better. Now, what I'm going to share with you, this is my opinion. I like it, and you just take it and you do what you want to with it. But let me know in the comments below if you use foam window cleaner. What is your favorite way of cleaning windows? What is your best method? Now, there's some things that I learned a few years ago about windows, about tint on windows. If you have tinted windows, whether it be on your auto glass on your car, your truck, or on your windows at work, or wherever you may be cleaning windows, if they have a window tint film on there, you never want to use anything that is ammonia based, because it will break that tint film down. It's going to start giving you some issues and problems. It's really going to start looking bad. So you really want to be careful about what you clean those tinted windows with. We had some windows tinted at the school that I used to work at, and I asked them, I said, what do you need to clean these windows with? They said, foam based window cleaner is your best, nothing with ammonia in it. Don't use Windex on that. And I said, okay. So we got some, and it worked very well. If you use a liquid and you spray, especially if you have panic bars on your doors, that liquid wants to run. And you're trying to keep up with that, and if it runs behind that panic bar and you've got to get something and get your rag in there and get all that, it can be a big pain. But you can take this foam window cleaner and you can just like spot clean your windows really fast, because panic bars, door handles, they don't mean anything. Don't mean anything, because people's going to be hospitality. They want to be nice and hold the door open for someone, and they'll put their hand on the glass, or somebody's got their hands full. They're going to put their hand on the glass, or they're going to put their arm on the glass, and they're going to push for whatever reason. Somebody brings their kid to work that day, and their kid's running around, and they're going to put their little food fingers and everything all over the doors. Especially working in a school, you see a bunch of this. But this foam window cleaner, those little classroom windows that you have, the narrow windows and everything, this is great for that, because those doors are wood. You ain't got to worry about this, the liquid running down into the wood, running down the door, leaving streaks on your doors. Even your metal doors outside, if you're using a liquid, it sometimes run down that metal and it leaves those streaks. With a foam, you don't have to worry about that. French windows, foam window cleaner is amazing for French windows. Microfiber rags, that is my favorite thing to use. I don't know what your favorite rag is, but microfiber rags are really good to use with foam window cleaner. I like to use a 2 or 3 rag method. Depends on how much windows I've got to clean. If I'm just doing, a small amount, 1 rag is good enough most of the time. Is that, I spray that on there. A little goes a long way with this foam window cleaner, but I spray a little bit on there. I'll wipe it, and if it's a little damp, I'll flip it over and I'll polish it out with the dry side. But these microfiber rags are really good about polishing them. If my rag is wet, the one I'm, using, I have the second one to polish it out with and finish drying the window. Because it won't leave streaks. As long as you buff it out good, it's not going to leave any streaks. And to me, it just seems for those fingerprints and the really quick areas that you got to hit, it just seems to work a whole lot better. And I've also learned that this, that foam window cleaner, it goes a long way. You don't want to spray that whole window down and make it look like that it's got frost all over it. I like to use what you call a Z pattern, or a straight line pattern. I kind of go in a Z pattern as I'm spraying, or if it's something small like a mirror, I'll go straight down the middle. Just a quick move, I don't want to go real slow. It's just a move in the Z pattern like that, and it'll go, and you start wiping that off and polish it off. So that is something I just really am like doing right now, is with this foam window cleaner. I kind of had just forgot about it. I really had. I forgot about, using that, and I just having a whole lot of trouble with my windows, getting a lot of handprints on it with students here. It's just battling these windows on these office buildings all the time. And I'm able to be actually a whole lot more efficient and a whole lot faster in the cleaning the windows with this system. Now I'm going to give you a little tip right here. It's just this right here. Your microfiber rags have got to be clean. They've got to stay clean when you're cleaning windows. If you're using a rag that you've used it and you've hung it up somewhere and it's dirty, you've got in a little bit of outside window cleaning and dirt and everything, and you go hang that rag up and you go back to use it again, well, you're just moistening that rag with that dirt in it, and then you're going to start having problems with streaks and and that dirty look. You think, man, I cleaned that window, but now what's going on with that? So you can use a washing machine to wash those rags in, if you have one. If not, get you a small bucket or something and wash them rags out good, squeeze them out. Yeah, it takes a little time, but it's worth the effort to do so. Hang them up in your closet somewhere to dry. I use my ladder in my closet, hang on the runs in my closet. That's how I like mine. Go out there and clean some windows, because in about 5 minutes, after you get them clean, somebody's going to come by and they're going to put the big old fat hand on there, and they're going to leave you a big old fat hand greasy print on there that you're going to have to go clean off. So just go ahead and go get your microfibers and your foam cleaner and go clean it again. By the way, I appreciate y'all for tuning into the channel. If you'd like to help support this channel, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can buy me a coffee. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below to my favorite kind of foam window cleaner. Y'all go out there and have a great, wonderful window cleaning day.